for healthy living while having great fun doing all of this. My name is Linda. Hope you all are doing great. I want to share with you a very simple but very powerful natural remedy that is going to help you get rid of arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition that causes pain and inflammation in a joint. It affects people of all ages, including children. When you drink this natural remedy, it will help you get rid of arthritis. But before I introduce you to the ingredients that I will be using for this natural remedy, always remember, health is wealth. Keep watching. The first ingredient I will be using is turmeric. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. It contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. It contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help prevent and perhaps even treat cancer. Cancer is a terrible disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. The second ingredient I will be using is celery. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals with a low glycemic index. You'll enjoy vitamin A, K, and C, plus minerals like potassium and folates when you eat celery. Celery has an alkalizing effect with minerals like magnesium, iron, and sodium. It can have a neutralizing effect on acidic foods, not to mention the fact that these minerals are necessary for essential bodily functions. Celery is thought to improve the function of the digestive tract. It works as a natural laxative, and it can also help relax nerves that are sometimes damaged due to unhealthy lifestyle and food choices. The next ingredient I will be using is pineapple. Pineapple is an incredible, delicious, and healthy tropical fruit. Pineapples are packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are especially rich in vitamin C and manganese. Pineapples are a good source of antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Many of the antioxidants in pineapple are banned, so they may have longer lasting effects. The next ingredient I will be using is ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties. Gingerol is the main bioactive compound in ginger. It's responsible for much of ginger's medicinal properties. Ginger may fight harmful bacteria and viruses which could reduce your risk for infections. Ginger appears to speed up emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with digestion and related stomach discomfort. The next ingredient I will be using is cucumber. Cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Cucumber promotes hydration. Cucumbers are composed of about 96% water, which may increase hydration and help you meet your daily fluid needs. Cucumber is involved in processes like temperature regulation and the transportation of waste products and nutrients. Now we've known the benefit of them all, let's get started. I will be peeling and cut the pineapple in pieces. I used only 2 cups of pineapple for this remedy. Now I'm chopping the cucumber. I will be making use of small quantity. The next is to peel and chop the turmeric. I will be using a root of it. I have to peel and chop the ginger. I will be chopping 2 sticks of celery. I will be dropping the recipe in the description box below. You can check it out. Guys, I want you to understand that someone who lacks vitamin T and calcium is at risk for arthritis and inflammation of the joint. Many people also do not realize that this pain can be treated with a natural remedy which will leave them pain-free in just a matter of a few weeks. The next step is to add them into the blender. Add 1 cup of water to enable the blending process. Our powerful remedy smoothie is ready. You can see how yummy and fresh it is. This will help you get rid of arthritis and keep you in good health. You have to drink this morning and evening every day, 3 to 4 times a week for 2 weeks. You will see a great change. Guys, I do have an end screen at the end of my video. Please check out the video suggested there. Always remember to drink lots and lots of water. Very important. Get your exercise, sleep well, and keep that stress to a minimum. If this is your first time of tuning into my channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on my notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I always say thank you. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.